Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. We meet again, brother and sisters. What we will discuss in this video is the case of a laptop whose battery does not work at all, but the laptop can still be turned on using a charger. When the charger is removed, of course, the laptop immediately turns off. We will discuss one of the causes which is similar to the case that we discussed yesterday. An Asus laptop which is caused by a dry elco type capacitor and causes the laptop to not turn on at all. But this time the laptop can still be turned on, but the battery does not work. The battery percentage on the laptop can be 100% or stop at a certain level depending on when the laptop starts having problems. Well, one of the causes is the damage to the capacitor in the charging block. We can see in this schematic, here there are two capacitors that function as voltage filters because this charging voltage is produced by a PWM circuit which always requires a filter capacitor. It turns out that if one of these capacitors is short circuit, then the battery will not function at all. This of course happens because the voltage that comes out of the battery will be 0 volts. So it's like a laptop that doesn't use a battery. I found this case on an Acer Aspire 3 laptop which uses a BQ24737 charge controller IC as shown in the schematic. So this does require precision to find problems like this. This damage tends to be very rare indeed, but in fact we found it. So it should still be our reference in handling problems on laptops. Okay friends, thank you for watching. This is about how to fix a laptop with problem cannot working with the battery. Just work with the charger, and when the charger unplugged from the laptop will shut off immediately. See you again in the next video. I hope this video will useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.